Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Valorant error code VAN185. So if you are facing this issue, you can try the multiple solutions that I will give you and follow this process step by step, and hopefully your issue will be solved. So the first thing that you can do is just go to the search section and click on view network, and after that you will see like this, view network connections. So just open this one. And once you're here, just choose your Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, I have connected my Wi-Fi. So just go to the Wi-Fi, right click on it and disable the connection. And once you disable the connection, re-enable it and hopefully your issue will be solved. And if you're still facing the issue, so what you can do is just click on properties. And after that, just go to let me just choose this one, Internet Protocol version 4, click on properties and make sure this is set to obtain an IP address automatically. If you have added like a manual IP or a DNS, so change both of them to automatically. Click on OK, click on close and save this setting and try if your issue is solved or not. And in case if you still face the issue, so just go to the search section and click on reset network setting. So once you search the reset network, let me just search it again, network reset. And once you search network reset, so just go to this one and reset now. And once you reset, your PC will restart or your laptop will restart and hopefully your issue will be solved. So these are the tips and different methods that you can try, and hopefully you will not face the issue anymore.